I 1 to 10 rhyme for kids. One little sun shining bright, smiling softly with golden light. 2 little birds on a tree, singing songs so happily. 3 little flowers in the rain, blooming gently again and again. 4 tiny stars begin to glow, twinkling softly in a dreamy show. 5 small clouds floating high, shaping animals in the sky. 6 cute ducks in a line, waddling together, looking fine. 7 balloons in rainbow heaven, flying up, count to 7. 8 shiny shells by the sea, sparkling as waves dance free. 9 bright butterflies in the air, fluttering wings everywhere. 10 happy kids laugh and play, jumping around all, count to 7.